Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is James and this is a Dad's Thing production. Got a special unboxing for you. So excited. I've been sitting on this box for the last 3 or 4 days, just waiting for a good opportunity to open it up and show you what I got. Many of you know I've been a new mountain biker, and I want to get out there, get some vlogs going, excuse me, of my adventures out on the trails. Particularly on Fridays when I have my day off and I have some time for myself, just to ride around and improve on skills, clear my mind, and have a good time. So I wanted to get an action camera. A few months ago, I picked up one that wanted to test out. Not one of the big name brand action cameras. Tried it out several times on a couple different trails and just wasn't really getting the type of footage that I wanted out of it. So I sent it back, saved up a little bit more, and a big shout out to my brother Tim, my man. He pitched into the fund of the action camera and helped me out there. So I really appreciate you. I love you, man. And let's get to it. I'm going to unbox this baby. And once I get to it, you'll start to see exactly what it is once I open this box. I'm going to cut myself. Right. Always fun. And here we go. So as you can see right there, this is the DJI Action 3. They got the Osmo still in there, so the DJI Osmo Action 3 action cam. This is really new, and I am so glad that I kind of waited. I've been looking for some different models, different brands, and I am a big fan of DJI stuff. So here we go. Put that down. There, you see that? Come on, no, I think it just opens up like that. Like that. Got that DJI sticker going on there. There we go. No USB, but the C connectors right there, dual for charging and things of that nature. Here is the flat circle mount. I've been doing a little research. Here is that magnetic clipping system that they have going. I'm definitely going to need to get a couple more of these so I could have one hooked up to my helmet. I have also a seat post mount that I'm going to use. Here's the battery right there. Any more goodies in there? Just the instructions we got going. What else we got going on here? Another little booklet. Take a peek at that. But let me open this real quick. Oh, this is the cage. There is a cage that the action camera comes with, which enables you to give it a little more protection, but also you can vertically mount the system, right? So here's the clipping system mechanism right there. I can clip that to my helmet to get vertical footage, as well as the traditional horizontal way of mounting your action camera to whatever device or whatever unit that you're going to be having. But here you go, you can see the operating buttons here, power button here. This is a nice sturdy plastic. That's how we open this puppy right here, right? Get that, don't want to break it. I will figure it out, but I don't know if that comes all the way off, but I'll figure that out. I don't want to break it, but I'll play with that a little bit and figure out how to open that so I can get the camera in there. But that's how that works, clips like that. But pretty sturdy, liking that. And here is the unit in and of itself. Just move that out of the way real quick. So there is the unit. Take off the coverings. There we go. It definitely is a pretty sight to see. Like I said, I've been waiting to open this box for several days, the right moment, and right now is the right moment to open this baby up. But there you go, front screen. This is touch, so I could do all of the operation, get to all of the settings from this front screen right here, as well as when you flip it around, you have the rear screen, also touch screen. Great feature to have, you know, this front screen right here, because you don't have to detach the device from a mount to get to the back to do the settings. You can do it all here from this littler screen. Again, there's your power button. Oops, excuse me, not power button. That's the button that you can press to record and also take pictures. On and off button. Here is the gauge that you press down to open up to get the battery in. Here is the opportunity right here to do the horizontal mount, so you can clip it on there. But as I said, with that additional cage that it comes with, it allows you to get vertical, so you can do some recording, some footage for you know, all of those other social media sites that you want to get your vertical stuff up. Okay, so there we have it. I'm not going to get much more in depth with this opening, this kind of reveal, and the excitement of this device. But what I will do is come a couple days, I'm going to get out on a trail. I am definitely going to get some footage, some test footage. I'm going to go on a ride a couple of days after that with my riding buddy, and we're going to test it out. And we've joked around about, you know, creating our own little YouTube channel, Instagram page, and all of that type of stuff with some of the adventures that we go on. And just show everybody what we're up to and how much fun we have. And a lot of it is the fitness of riding the bikes, but also a lot of it is just the camaraderie that we have as riding buddies, talking about fatherhood, talking about being the best spouses we can be, work, all those type of things. It's just a great opportunity to meet up with somebody who has a like interest in a sport, but also somebody that you can talk about life's challenges, triumphs, and all those different things that come at us on a day-to-day basis. So stay tuned to the channel. Please like if you found this helpful, and also subscribe, man. This channel is all about taking care of self so that we as fathers can be the best we can be for our partners, our spouses, and definitely our children. That's what this is about. So whether it's mountain biking, whether it's speeches that are being done in the community to uplift other fathers, or just tips and tricks on how to be more engaged, be a better dad, and enhance your fatherhood skills, that's what this channel is about. And I try to find different ways to be engaging to all the dads out there. So again, like and subscribe if you find this helpful, and appreciate everybody who always visits the channel, and all my followers that I have currently. Appreciate you. And again, fatherhood is a journey that you don't have to do alone. So we are here at A Dad's Thing to partner with you on your fatherhood journey as you partner with me. Thanks and see you soon.